Morgan busting a coal. This is her homecoming demonstration. I can smell it. It's a-coming.
Already there. I just want to make it bigger.
Oh.
I see it. I see the flame.
Wait, let her work. Let her work. Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah.
Okay. Now's the fun part.
This thing I want to grow with all the rest of the punk.
Ooh.
That's so cool.
What was that? Not even a minute?
Smoking hot lady.
Smoking hot lady. Holy crap.
Wow.
That's some fire. Look at that.
Do we have some wood in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, my instrument.
There. Woo! She's a fire starter. Dang. Build it up, build it up. Look at that fire. Holy cow.
No, everybody needs to pray and say thank you.
Boy, if you were out on a camp by yourself, you'd be praying and saying thank you for sure, for sure.
Oh, trust me, we did.
You
All
still
right.
say, pray and say thank you every time. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, you do.
That's
That's
just
so
something
cool.
I've learned. Thank you.
Because you, my friend, are what?
Fire starter.
You are fire starter. You are Anasazi.
You are.